The overall goal of this procedure is to assess global left ventricular diastolic function in a patient using the Parametrized Diastolic Filling, or PDF, formalism. This is accomplished by first collecting data on diastolic function from a complete echocardiographic study of heart function and transferring the data to a computer for analysis. The second step is to work with the transmitral flow images and focus on one heartbeat. A custom program extracts conventional diastolic function parameters for the E and A waves and pre-processes the image for the next step in analysis. Next, the pre-processed transmitral flow image is loaded into a semi-automated fitting program. A segment of the E wave is selected for fitting, and a preliminary parametrized diastolic filling model is produced and overlaid on the image. The final step is to refine the fit if necessary and have the program generate the final parametrized diastolic filling model based parameters for the input E wave. Ultimately, the process yields parameters that quantify relaxation, stiffness, and load responsible for the patient's diastolic function. These parameters have been used to distinguish between normal and pathologic function and elucidate new physiology.
The main benefit of the PDF technique is that it marries Newton's laws of motion with the actual suction pump physiology of diastole in order to extract physiologically and clinically relevant diastolic function parameters from the waveform itself.
In cardiac physiology, relaxation and stiffness are two well-established physiological parameters that characterize diastole. The PDF method can help answer key questions in the field of cardiac physiology because it uncouples the key drivers of diastole into non-invasively measurable parameters.